Take a ride in the 2022 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, 8 speakers, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.